Oke, balik lagi di channel Alien Danger dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan game Horizon Zero Dawn. Dan kali ini saya ditemani oleh Bung Bayu lagi. Oke, kita selamat
tonton para pemirsa sekalian.
Check this out. Di mana nih? Oh, bajuku aja. Sekarang mana fokusku? Oh, ada. Pasang.
Ini rusak jangan fokusnya nih.
Warpod loh.
Ini pasti keluaran anu nih.
Ampun, orang warna kuning.
Xiaomi. Buat lalu pak.
Kada ini kan model diandak di sini, cuman ini tuh kada tahu apa nih jar. Tempat apa ini gitu nah. Jadi hendak pergi ya dari sini. Oh. Ini kayak yang ini ada kena dapat tongkat hack ya. Jadi kau mau hack dinosaurus tuh ya.
Jadi kawan.
Ada yang kau jadi tunggangan.
Baunya nyar.
Kodok. Kenapa dua? Oh, memang dua kah?
Wah, ada diambilnya.
Itu gugur. Kenapa error?
Karena diambilnya di telinga lu tadi.
Ini telinga itu masih ada di telinga. Masih ada di telinga.
Yang nyalut pas sebelum meninggal ya.
Oh. Oh iya, bujur kamu. Ini Balmond tadi kan? Dan Karina lakian tadi yang mati. Siapa yuk? Kawan Balmond.
Nah, ininya menemukan peta dunia aja.
Oh.
Teori bumi datar dimulai dari sini.
Teori bumi datar.
Teori konspirasi.
Apalagi nih? Oh, ada kalau yang berarti penjahatnya. Olin tuh tadi. Penjahat juga si Olin tuh.
Yang mana Olin tuh lah?
Ada kok yang BC juga yang bulu dada. Nah tuh DNA-nya 99%. Nah mamanya kayak pemano DNA. Oh, atau cloningan atau masa depan atau kayak apa?
Aloy, you are awake. You brought me here. Quickly, you must follow.
Ayo, kamu harus ikuti aku
To the place where you were born.
ke tempat kamu lahir. Kalau nya 2 kasetnya 400, tapi kalau nya God of War aja 160. Jadi aku nukar semalam 160 God of War. Kalau sobok kok ada BC PS 4. Makanya aku ke Banjar semalam.
Aloy, the Proving Massacre was just the first of many disasters. The war party we sent after the
Jadi minjam kan aku kasetnya kok kita main nih lah God of War.
But what does that have to do with where I was born?
My hope is
ini penggawin kalau mendadak-dadak nih.
and there you
Warna
were.
pungut nih.
Iya, tapi kan munculnya tuh di sini karena di dalam
Yes.
apa namanya? Ini nih kayak sebuah tempat tersembunyi di suatu desa tuh nah.
Always that
Keberatan
is
orang
what I
kalau masuk.
believed, that you came from the womb of the
Lain di
mountain.
ilung, bro.
A gift from All Mother
Gift
herself.
from All Mother herself, but
But
others.
others, like Lansra, feared that a darker power put you here. Not a gift,
Not a
but a
gift,
curse.
but a curse.
Kutukan. My mother. Oh, ini mah anggap Tuhan, bukan ini bah. Aliran sesat nih.
Hold for identity scan.
The goddess.
Nah, dewa anu jar, dewa pander aja. Udah teknologi, nah ini pang orang budak teknologi. Waduh. Dapat pulang aku ide kesan judul.
Alpha registry corrupted. Identity cannot be confirmed. Entry denied.
Oke.
No, no. Please.
Namanya Aloy.
Iya, anak alay. Alay anak alay. Mamanya alay. Bunuh ah.
Somehow they have a power over the machines, corrupting, driving them mad.
Tahan tembak, bro.
Ayo.
And we
Patah. Ih, nah jadi.
and beg for All Mother's mercy.
Masa saya kada belak.
She would not want us
Tuh,
to help
anu
ourselves.
burit besi, bro.
Asli kada tambus, panah jangan tambus.
Panah Jakarta Tembus apalagi otong. Otong surotong.
Was
Ayo nih, lambat bener.
Asli lambatnya ini di jalan orangnya udah selesai misi. Pada saya 35 jam dalam tangan ini.
135
Yes.
Oh hujan.
I showed her.
Musim salju ada hujan kayak apa?
The goddess spoke to Aloy.
Salju
To
tuh teh.
heal the corruption.
Kiamatnya
she to
gitu.
do that?
Karena
She
musim
will have to
panasnya
journey
lawan
beyond our
musim
sacred
angin gitu.
land.
Aku
A seeker? If the goddess
musim hujan,
spoke,
musim
it must be
salju di
so.
kampung ya. Normal aja selama air masih.
Thing a seeker, sister.
For once, Lansra, join with us.
Menggambarkan sebuah
This will be your sin.
Pertarungan.
kayak hierarki
Send
itu.
her seeking, and may she
Kalau
never be
kepalanya
seen
makin banyak,
again.
biasanya semakin tinggi jabatannya.
Oh iya.
Ini kan ada bikin kepala, ada besi kepala ini nah. Penutup kepala berarti kan memang paling rendah.
Di sini bertiga nih yang kepala sukunya ibaratnya penasehat lah.
By the holy grace of the one goddess, we hereby anoint you a seeker of the Nora tribe.
Hilang pesan murni.
No barrier can now stay you from your sacred
Undap
task.
orang.
May All Mother protect you
Yeah.
and sustain you.
Stay true.
Stay
Tapi aku masih kada terima mati nang lakian tadi saya pekelahi dulu sekira rami.
I will
Kelahi
Datu nang
ya
lakian
nolongin.
nerima
Oh iya lo yang lakian kawannya tuh lo. Yang rambutnya gimbal pirang.
Ya harusnya kan mbah di aduh ini jangan
Atau kena inya pas
fly with you.
umpat yang betopeng tuh malahnya. Nya bujur kena tapi diobati.
atau di doktrinnya lo.
Berubah pas membuka topeng kena.
Tears.
Kawanku,
What's
bro.
Tapi
You are.
memang harus
And here is
ditakdirkan
your mark.
berkelahi. Dramatis.
In times of
Bisa
great
juga.
need, the high matriarchs may
Kalau ulang
anoint
game
a
gitu,
seeker. A worthy
Tapi kenapa
brave
tadi ada
sent
lo
forth
yang
to accomplish a great
di mimpinya
purpose.
tuh kenapa jadi ini
No matter
si
where that purpose
om-om
might
tuh?
take her.
Nah itu.
Berarti ada salah satu ini pengkhianat sini nih.
Jadi penyihir kah?
And
Atau tuh
with the
mimpinya
right to
aja
return
karenanya
when you
takutan.
are done, or as the need arises.
Apa gerang Eloy? Kecil-kecil.
I need the gate opened.
Oh ini yang risih
Since when
tuh.
has any outcast's need been my concern?
Since I was
remember you.
anointed a seeker.
Kada kita mau padah aja kita tuh si keruh ini.
A seeker? Have Tissa and Jezza gone insane? Bad enough that they let you run in the proving. But to nurse you back to health inside the sacred mountain? No wonder a curse is upon us and children lie dead under cairns of stone.
Banyak bacot.
Watch your tongue.
Itu kah?
And where were you when those children were being slaughtered?
Menyerang.
Were the
Menyerang
war
dengan-
party ambushed? Guarding your little gate here?
Nah.
I am the Nora war chief, and this gate is Mother's watch.
I have been anointed a seeker by the High Matriarchs. So do as I say and open the gate, or we will settle this
In blood. Nah,
The
empus.
sooner you're gone from here, the better.
Makasih buka. Ya lo. Lucu kadang noh.
What was that?
Empus apa itu?
Direk.
Gilaan. Asli bisa ya. Kena gana. Oh. Oh bukan.
Demon.
Kok demon?
Sound the alarm!
Abut ayo kamu. Oh dirusak nak.
Sangat tinggi parah.
Oh malah jadi jahat. Oh
By the goddess, what's it doing to them?
dihack nggak padahal.
Taking control.
Brace yourself!
Cari anunya bang. Titik lemahnya. Oh shit man.
This curse.
Kenapa jadi Sarika lawan si Bang Aloy? Pasti bantu kita nih.
Brave! Ready yourselves! The demon!
Oke.
Oh, mother, give us strength!
Won't be long. Gotta get in position. Here it comes.
Attack!
Mampus trauma lagi.
Watch the Striders! It's driven them mad!
Salah. Pertama kita harus memindah ini. Nah, nah, mindernya mana? Shit. Oh, kamu. Oh. Nah. Oh, di situ lemahnya. Oke. Santai, santai. Santai. Oh, kena. Aduh, sorry. Bro. Garing kayaknya. Karena tadi. Aduh. Gugup kok. Kada anu ini lah. Lincah banget ya. Gimana Kang? Aduh. Oh salah, harusnya pakai yang api tadi.
Nah, aku nyari ingat. Semakin difficult, semakin bagus.
Maka aku malah santai pakai yang biasa. Pantas ngalih jerku nih, Ikem nyaman banget tadi mengalahkan harimau.
Asli, padahal tembak sembarang ya.
Ih, kawan mah kamu pasakan. Oh. Ini karena ini bisa menghack kan aja. Nah. Kawannya naik.
Aloy,
kuda.
How did you do that?
Oh, saya hebat.
What are you doing here? You're a Stitcher, not a Brave.
I came to help defend Mother's Watch, but I never imagined I'd see anything like this. You killed that demon.
Wah, terlalu mudah.
Pulled its guts from the carcass.
The way it controls other machines. I think I figured it out. But I need to test it on a machine.
Plenty of striders along the path to the gates of the Embrace, I guess.
Exactly. And the gates are where I'll be headed anyway. I need to speak to Varl. I can test the override device. Quiet, but nice and quiet.
Santai.
Okay, here it goes. Come on. It worked.
Sudah.
It's not hostile. There we go. That a boy. That's more like it. Yeah.
Ini kalau kita rujuk lah.
Ride. This strider is fast. This beats walking.
One hit, cu.
Oke. Ada harimau besi. Kenapa, Mas?
I love you.
Varl, I take it?
Aloy. The outcast
Nampak
you
bering,
were
kan?
improving.
Waduh.
So you survived your wounds.
Oke, sana.
High Matriarch Tirsa said you might know the way to
Serangan dulu.
The capital of the Karja Sunder?
You said War Chief Sona is missing?
Oh,
Even when
hilang
the war party was
warchipnya.
massacred, she wouldn't give up the chase. She called for volunteers and went after the killers.
You didn't
Pembunuh
volunteer?
yang itu
Of
mencari.
course I did. But Sona denied me that. She ordered me to see the wounded back to the Embrace.
Mengobati orang-orang yang luka.
To guard the Embrace with my life.
Oke.
That was days ago, and since then there's been no word from her.
So there's no way to know if she's alive or dead.
Benar.
If anyone could survive out there, it would be her. Sona's prowess is legend, an unbending spear to measure ourselves against.
Sounds like she sets a high standard.
Oh, you have no idea. She's my mother.
I get it, Varl. I'll see what I can do.
Aku lihat dulu apa yang bisa aku lakukan. Aku level 7, sekarang kita level berapa nih? Kita cariin dulu.
A strider!
No, don't attack. It's with me.
May the god... How is that possible?
It's hard to explain. Something I discovered.
Oke, kita bunuh yang satu ini. Headshot. Terlalu mudah. Sudah OP ya kita ya. Ya, sebentar lagi kita sudah sampai ke tempat pembunuhan massal. Ini darah-darahnya udah ada ya. Oke, kamu tunggu di sini ya. Atau pergi terserah, saya bisa cari yang lain. Apa nih? Banyak kematian-kematian.
Maybe the war chief left something behind. Some clue as to where Nora managed to take down a corruptor.
Siapa ini?
But not before the killers used it to send the other machines against them.
Ngirim mesin terus. Coba nih. Survivor. Oke. Oke, boleh. Ada apa nih, Mas?
The dead and wounded all cleared away. Are there no more braves or healers here?
Saya brave dan healer.
Just me. You're hurt. What happened?
I didn't. It's madness out there. War Chief Sona sent me back to report. I'm no good to her like this.
You know where she is now?
All I can tell you is where we parted. Near the metal tower, southeast of the ruins of Devil's Thirst. Look to the rise behind it with a lone boulder. I'll head for the embrace and report what I know to Varl and the others. May All Mother lend you strength. You'll need it, going alone.
Okay.
Okay, my focus is picking up some kind of signal. Maybe I can scan it.
Nice, man. Apa tuh? Ada tolnek. Yo, serang dia, Pokemonku. Oh, mampus, mampus. Set, mampus, oh, mampus. Ya, peliharaan gua mati, bro. Dia anak buah kita. Ayo serang dia. Oh, berkelahi mereka. Malah kalah, bro. Apa-apaan? Apa-apaan, woy? Dasar mesin tidak berguna, mati kau. Ada apa itu? Ada bekas panah. Apakah ini panah? Apa ya, monster apa nih? Monster lagi robot. Robot apa nih? Oh, kayak sawtooth ini. Bro, dari belakang, bro. Lai dari belakang, Lai. Oh. Menghindar, Lai. Oh, diselamatkan. Anda diselamatkan terus ya, Lai? Siapa nih? Apakah ibu? Oh, ibu si Sona.
You're lucky I happened by. One heartbeat more, and that sawtooth would have torn you apart.
Half a heartbeat more and I would have killed it myself. So you're War Chief Sona? Varl asked me to find you.
Has he held the gate?
He has, bravely. I saw him kill a corrupted machine himself. But he
Saya juga melihat ya, Bu.
Our tribe needs strength, not sentiment. I've tracked some of the killers who struck the Proving. I crave vengeance. Do you?
You have no idea.
Show me then. Lend me your strength.
Follow. Oke, saya follow dulu ya. Apa Instagramnya Ibu?
Hours ago, I sent braves into hiding in the trees below.
Dia masih menghingal, Bu.
On my signal, they'll attack.
Si Ibu.
The enemy and their demonic machines outnumber us, but we will have fury on our side.
We could have more than that.
Explain.
That's Blaze. What we used to burn, they used to blast. It's how they dug out this pit.
So we put fire to it and then?
Boom.
Then let us begin.
Okay.
Whoa, wait. Let's not rush. Give me some time to make an approach. If I end up alerting them, open fire.
Okay.
All right. Let's see what you can do.
Kita akan berhati-hati seperti Assassin's Creed ya.
What's that in the tall grass? We're under attack.
Tolong, Bu. Nice. Luput. Luput. Anda teman atau musuh?
Stay together.
Killers. I counted more at the war party massacre.
Oke, bukan ya. Ternyata kita bukan membunuh orang-orang yang membunuh. Ini si Avenger nih. Si apa namanya? Pembalas dendam. Istirahat, Bobo.
Give your wounds time to close.
Varl, what are you doing here? I ordered you to hold that gate with your life.
And so I did. Until the runner you sent returned with news of his encounter with Aloy and your location. I left the gate well
sempat nih dia yang datangin dia.
My place is here, with you, with our vengeance. Am I not owed that?
Maybe I should have a look around, see if I can figure out where the rest of the killers are.
Do as you wish. Everyone else does.
Mother.
Oke guys, mungkin segitu aja dulu untuk game kali ini, dan jangan lupa untuk kalian tetap tonton video saya yang lain dan stay awesome. Bye bye.